It's a little bit hard to understand, but I only wanna be a modern man on the wire. We couldn't be nicer.
Alright, day 8. It's pretty boring, there's nothing really much happening. We saw a little lizard crawling across the fly screen before. That was pretty cool, just chasing the 2 mites. But yeah, I'm not sure. I think, yeah, we missed out on going on that truck yesterday, so today's going to be a bit of a chill out day. Sit back, relax, and maybe write the journal. I've got a pack of cards as well, that'd be... What about that?
When I was such a small boy, I wouldn't notice you from anyone. When I had just a small voice, I didn't think I'd learn to shout so loud. When I was just a small boy, I didn't yearn to be the same.
Whoa, he's putting his ears up. There's an elephant right outside our tent. Look at him, he's amazing. Look at him. He's beautiful.
Do you know that mock charge? No mock charge?
Yeah.
You charge you 2 times.
Oh,
Then
what?
the third time, the last one.
Third time.
The last one, the full charge, I mean the mock charge can change to full charge. Yeah.
Ooh.
What is doing?
Yeah. I can't.
So loud.